Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install liveries on the Airbus A320 fly-by-wire. Step 1. Go to any browser and search for flightsim.to. Click on the first result. As you can see, this site is used to add plane, scenarios, liveries and much more. Now click on the liveries and choose the aircraft, in this case the A320. Then search the livery you want and click on it. For this video I will choose this Lufthansa livery. Now you have to download now, click main file, after that you have to wait this countdown. Start download. Open the folder and waiting for the download. When finished, put the folder aside and click Windows plus R. Then write %temp%. Now you have to click on App Data, Local, search Packages folder and click on it. Now write Flight on the top right and search for Microsoft Flight Simulator folders. Click on it, go on Local Cache, Packages, Community, and this is where you need to drag the file we downloaded. And now we just have to open Microsoft Flight Simulator and see if it worked. As you can see, the livery has been downloaded. Thanks everyone for watching this video. See you next time.